how to buy CaptainSOL token. So this token came under the symbol of CSOL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check this Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 14,000% in the last 24 hours, as you can see here. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your fund to wallet for that. As you can see, I will just log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, just type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy CaptainSOL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.